Hi, Tina. Hi, baby. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm just coming up from work, you know.
Just come from work. Me tell her what happened to me this morning.
Yeah, I think we go to
This morning, me meet one girl right out there this morning when me I go man and go buy bleaching cream. Because the bleaching cream they done. Me meet one little African girl. You know, like African girl who go and like say they never suck body yet. Me meet one little one out here. Her belly look like she done, like she done dash how much belly. And she go on like she a virgin. She didn't like my son. But anyway, she a walk go along there and she see me and she called to me. And she say hello, and me say hello. I was going on the train. You know me like company, me go on the train, not nobody company me. Because me a mad rass when me go. So me don't want you next to me because I'm embarrassed.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm on the train now. I want me on the train. Hi Kim. Hi sexy Kim, look. Say hello to the people. Alright. Yes, baby. Yeah. So anyway, me I tell her, stop now, so me talk now, so me I say no man over churras clot, man.
Look out there, what's there going on?
But a man pussy clot, this out there with me, man.
You see me fucking face about 50,000?
Your face, what when post 40 in a blue back, leave me alone. But anyway, listen. So me gone on the train now, and a couple people see me on the train, you know me? So the people was like, Olivet, big up yourself and so. So me say, alright and so. The people must say, big up, Olivet. We soon turn around for you, right? So me say, big up on yourself. So the girl on the train now, she sit down on the train now. And the fan them come and talk to me and say, hello, one lady said, me really love your Olivet and so. So the girl sung, a big enough young girl. She brought up about graduation, she run her finger to it, you say, you're natural. Well, mine is natural. Her brain is pretty. Anyway, long story short, look at these pretty ladies, oh my God. Say hi, you're gonna be all over the world. Say hi, you're gonna be famous now. Look for them sexy blood clot girl, the girl body turn up. When me say the girl hot people, Toronto, Jamaica, England, the girl hot, me say she look good. Anything you want, a good price for you, baby. Me and a lesbian, but you look good. Yes, baby. Big up on the sale, alright? Go to Olivet Smelly on YouTube and you'll see yourself. Alright, big up. Alright. So anyway, they never want nothing. The pum tight not done. So anyway, like me said to you, so the girl is still on the seat now. The fan them come and talk to me, right? What do you think the little girl turn on and say? When the woman attack, much I like the video you did and so on. So you know, that's too much information for me. That's too much information for me. And the train full of people, you know. I get upside of the girl and turn and I said to her, I say, you so own a little girl. It's information is too much for you, but the cocky are going to own not too much. You shut out like a pussy hole. And when big people attack, shut in like a big pussy will stretch out. And have manners, I could be your mother. Who dare you? Me see your hole stretch out. Do not talk to me like that. I'm not a little child. I have respect. You see people talking to me. People come on the train talking to me, taking picture with me. Too much information for me because I don't want to talk about the video with the young boy and the old man. Yeah, she'll get vexed. But turn on to her and say, shut your mouth when people talking. Too much information when your little pussy too big. Too much information when your pussy too big. Too much information when your little pussy stretch out. That you must worry about. Your little pussy stretching out. That's too much information. Someone who are going like a virgin or no innocent. At night time, no suck pan penis like nipple back where baby I get milk. This is not milk.
Give me my wallet.
Besides, Vietnamese soon make your wallet. Right, Kim? They must suck pan body like a nipple back. Right, Kim? Whoa, go, mommy. Whoa, mommy. Motherfucker. But guess what? I love people. I don't have a problem with people. I love them. But I hate when some bitch act. Hi, darling.
Hi, darling. See, they're looking at you.
Yeah. Hi, darling. It's okay. Hello to the world. Hello. So like me said to me little girl, me say shut your mouth and shut your little pussy. When man I push big cock in your pussy and I stretch it out, that's too much information for your body. Must stop it when big people attack. Simple as that. People, me love you.